Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide. This tourer has 43,800 miles on it roughly, and we'll be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. I haven't found any type of tip-over damage on this bike, but I have found a couple of dents and scratches. We got one here on the front fender. Right there. Tires appear to be in pretty decent shape. Looks like they've got some miles left on them. Comes with the LED headlight and highway lights. Light smoke windscreen. Mirrors. 12-inch pullback apes, a media mount, hog tunes, footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger, Mustang seats, a luggage rack, and a quick release tour pack. The bags also have racks on them. We also have Reinhardt pipes on it. Rear tire as well, seems to be in pretty good shape. Looks like there's some miles left on it. I think they got an LED taillight in this thing too. Notice both sides of the luggage of the trunk have a little scratch right here. And again, footboards for the passenger, footboards for the driver with a heel toe shifter. Gas cap cover. And again, our 12-inch pullbacks, hog tunes, and the mirrors. Media mount. And the windscreen. So like I said, I haven't really found the tip over damage, but it's got some scratches and stuff on it. Got another one I noticed here. So, all right. Oh, 46,136 is what's on it. Thought that was almost 8. This 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it'll be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.